Pencil grips, an assistive tool. I'm Hamsavardhini from the Department of Education 4th year, here to talk about the pencil grips as an assistive tool for the disabled children.
So, pencil grips helps the individual with the special needs to write clearly and legibly. Some of the individuals won't be having a fine motor skills, so that they struggle to write with the proper grip with the pencils or pen. So to help with it, we are using pencil grips for as an assistive tool. Who can use this? This is actually used by the people who are not having fine motor skills, who struggle to write or have a grip with it. So it can be like students with some disabilities like dysgraphia like that, or autism people can use these kind of grip pencils to get the grip and write neatly. The pencil grips was designed by doctors and is widely used in classrooms, at home, and in therapeutic settings also. So this unique shape of this design fits for everyone, even for kids and even for adults, and even it is for right hand or left hand. It is like a universal size. So the pencil grips can be used as a training tool and then permanently for adding comfort also. So the pencil grip fits on pencils, primarily pencils like pen, crayon, markers, paintbrush, etc. So its benefits can be widely enjoyed. Improve kids' handwriting. A comfortable hand has more control and shows improvement handwriting. So this acts as a comforting tool for the kids to write. Then the pencil grip guides the hand into an ergonomic position. It relieves hand pain, reduces fatigue, and improves comfort. Consistent use teaches and reinforces the proper grip and stops common problems like fist grips, thumb wrapping, and white knucklings. So parents, teachers, and even occupational therapists widely recommend this kind of pencil grips for the children, like the people who are having fine motor skills with in a problem with it. So it's actually eco-friendly, it's safe for children, and it can be like 3 fingers are positioned accurately into those holes of those grips. Types of pencil grips. The way we hold a pencil is most commonly referred to as the tripod grasp. That is, we use our 3 fingers to keep the pencil shaft in between. That is the thumb, the forefinger, and the middle finger. So placing these 3 things is really important to grasp a pencil. That's why we called it as a tripod grasp. Here are some types of this pencil grasps. That is 3 finger hole, where we keep our thumb, index finger, and middle finger into it. Then 2 finger holes, that is fingers for thumb and index finger. This provides a control on them but not on the middle finger. Then 1 finger hole, that is finger hole for index only or middle finger only. To provide control, it provides control on either index or middle finger. Then no finger hole but with handle, that is with little handle for separating fingers and palm. Then no finger hole, where there will be no hole for fingers, that is for thumb, index, or middle finger. Just we need to rest on that thing. There are some more models of this pencil grips. Pencil grip jumbo. The most commonly recommended one kind of pencil grip is pencil grip jumbo. It is a big and squishy and is best for the hands for 7 to 8 years old. Twist and write. It is a Y-shaped pencil, is designed to work with the grasp. Another often recommended gripper is the Stero. It is small and semi-hard and had 3 indentations for 3 fingers. It is most pushy about enforcing a proper tripod grasp than the soft and squishy ones. Similar gripper but with a little larger surface and more easily switched to left-handers is the Solo grip. A gripper that forces into a tripod like alignment at the fingertips. So it's like a cup for the 3 fingers, the thumb, the index finger, and the middle finger. that is called as the writing claw. Grutto. It is a gripper which is helpful for the stubborn thumb wrap grasp. Each has a little wall that goes between the thumb tip and other fingers. A ring writer grip. This can help with a pencil that sticks straight instead of resting against the base of the index finger. For example, we have a model called Handy Writer. So there are some pros and cons. That is like it is large and soft. The size can help to maintain the thumb web space, and it is comfortable in any way of holding. The cons are not that much. It is like some may not be comfortable with using with it. I feel this pencil grippers is actually useful for the students with a lack of fine motor skills, because legible handwriting is required for the teacher to understand what the child has actually expressed. So this gripper remove the tiredness from the muscles. So this is a good assistive tool for the specially able child. They will actually feel better by using this. And these are the references that I have used for this assignment. Thank you.